This is a very simple questions, but it looks very difficult. Let us solve it. Okay, so if you take a wheel like this, so this is a basic concept of pure rolling. If the body is moving in the forward direction in a velocity v, as well as it is rotating in a omega, and you all know v is equal to r omega, where r is the radius of the wheel. So if you take different point, like if you take, suppose this is p point, this is q point, they can give this is another point, this is center. So the velocity of the highest point is 2v, center is v, ground is 0, and these 2 points are root 2v. So the answer will be, you know, that highest point the velocity is 2v and lowest point is 0. So of course the p point moves faster than q point. So the option 2 is the correct. Okay, so I'm not going to explain in details, because you know, if you take the translational motion, so all the points in moving in the velocity v, 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 v. Whereas if you take the rotational motion, so the velocity will be in the tangent direction. So this is again v, this is v, this is v, this is v, and center is 0. So these two velocities added up, which gives rise to 2v, and these two velocities are in opposite direction, so the resultant will be 0. And here the resultant will be, as because the two vectors are in 90 degrees, so resultant will be 2v. Here is also 2v, and here is only 0. That is the translational motion. So the options will be the point p moves faster than that of the q point. Okay.